While the introduction of humanoid robots is a bold step for Tesla, the company's efforts to develop driverless taxis are perhaps even more transformative for everyday life. Tesla has long been at the forefront of autonomous driving technology, with its full self-driving system already integrated into many of its vehicles. However, the recent push towards fully autonomous driverless taxis represents a new chapter in urban transportation. Tesla's vision for driverless taxis is rooted in the idea of making urban mobility more efficient, accessible, and sustainable. The company's autonomous taxi fleet would operate without human drivers, using advanced AI to navigate complex city environments, handle traffic, and safely transport passengers from one location to another. Tesla vehicles already come equipped with a sophisticated array of cameras, sensors, and radar systems, which collect data in real time to allow the vehicle to see and respond to its surroundings. Over time, this system has been refined to the point where fully autonomous operation seems closer to reality. The business model for Tesla's driverless taxi service is particularly intriguing. Musk has spoken about the potential for Tesla owners to add their vehicles to a shared autonomous fleet when not in use, allowing the car to operate as a taxi and generate income for the owner. This would represent a shift away from traditional car ownership models and towards a more shared communal use of vehicles, especially in urban settings. Despite Tesla's progress in autonomous driving, the path to fully driverless taxis is not without its hurdles. While the full self-driving system has shown significant advancements, there are still regulatory, technical, and safety challenges that must be overcome before driverless taxis become a widespread reality. Regulation is perhaps the largest obstacle. Autonomous vehicles are subject to stringent safety standards, and regulators in various countries are still cautious about allowing fully autonomous cars on public roads without human oversight. Tesla has been working closely with regulatory agencies to ensure that its autonomous systems meet safety requirements, but widespread adoption of driverless taxis will likely depend on changes to transportation laws. From a technical standpoint, autonomous driving systems must be capable of handling a wide range of scenarios, including unpredictable behaviors from other drivers, changing weather conditions, and complex urban landscapes. While Tesla's AI is continuously learning from the vast amounts of data collected by its vehicles, edge cases, those rare, difficult to predict situations, still pose a challenge. However, Tesla's ongoing work in AI development gives it an edge in overcoming these challenges. Musk has stated that Tesla is confident in achieving full autonomy soon, and recent demonstrations of the full self-driving system have shown promise. If Tesla can successfully bring fully driverless taxis to market, it could revolutionize transportation as we know it. The impact on urban transportation. Tesla's autonomous taxis could have profound implications for urban transportation. One of the main benefits would be the reduction in traffic congestion. Autonomous taxis could optimize routes based on real-time traffic data, avoiding bottlenecks and reducing the number of vehicles on the road. Additionally, these taxis would likely be electric, contributing to Tesla's mission of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. Moreover, the cost of transportation could decrease significantly. Without the need for a human driver, the operating costs of taxis would drop, allowing for cheaper rides. This could make transportation more accessible, particularly in urban areas, where owning a car is expensive and often impractical. Another potential benefit is safety. Human error is a leading cause of accidents, and autonomous vehicles could dramatically reduce the number of traffic accidents, saving lives and reducing healthcare costs related to road injuries. Tesla's driverless taxis would be equipped with sensors and AI systems designed to monitor the environment constantly, making split-second decisions to avoid accidents and ensure passenger safety. Tesla's recent ventures into robotics and autonomous driving mark a significant expansion of the company's innovation landscape. With the introduction of humanoid robots like Optimus, Tesla is not just building machines, but aiming to redefine labor and human interaction with technology. Similarly, Tesla's push towards driverless taxis could revolutionize urban mobility, making transportation more efficient, accessible, and sustainable. Both of these developments are emblematic of Tesla's broader mission to create a future where advanced technology enhances human life, reduces environmental impact, and transforms industries. While challenges remain, the potential of these innovations to reshape society is undeniable, and Tesla's role as a leader in this technological revolution is only growing.